Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Chrome high CPU usage. Now, how can we know that Chrome is taking high CPU usage? Now, you have to open the task manager for that. So, just search for that in the Windows search bar, task manager. Click on it. Now, maximize this. Then let's simply search for Chrome in the search bar so that we can easily find it. So now this is the CPU, the memory, and the disk usage of Google Chrome. Now you might have a higher CPU usage on your Windows with Google Chrome. Now on how we can fix that, so let's just minimize this for now. Then we need to open and bring up our Google Chrome browser. So you just need to simply search for Chrome in the Windows search bar. Then you just have to simply click on that. So here in the Google Chrome browser, what we can do is that we need to simply click on these three dots at the top right corner. Again, you have to click and locate the three dots at the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Click on that. Then simply scroll down and you'll find here more tools. Then in the list of options for more tools, you'll find Task Manager. Click on that. So this is the Task Manager for Google Chrome. So if our Windows has a Task Manager, the Google Chrome has also a Task Manager. Now, what are we going to do in here? Is that we're going to untask the processes which are unnecessary or which you're not using, especially extensions that are unnecessary on your Google Chrome browser. So what you're going to do is you just need to simply click on that and then select and process right here at the bottom right corner. Click on that and process. Click on that and process. Then you'll find extensions. I suggest you just need to click and process. Now with a list of the blue colors right here, which is GPU process, utility network service, utility storage service, data decode service, decoder service, audio service, and video capture and the spare renderer. Do not end the process of this list in the blue colors right here, because these are very important for your Google Chrome to function well. So just do not end the process of this task right here. So if you have those tabs which are unnecessary, extensions which are unnecessary, then those are the processes that you need to end process. Now once done, close this task manager window of Google Chrome. Then we just have to click on this reload. And now it's working fine. As you can see, we also need to make sure that our Google Chrome is updated. So you just have to click on these three dots and then again click on help. This one, help. Click on about Google Chrome. And this will automatically update our Google Chrome browser. Now let's simply minimize this and then bring up the task manager. And now the CPU usage has been decreased. So that's it. That's how you can fix Chrome high CPU usage on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.